People who download AI models from China could face up to 20 years in prison, a $1 million fine, or both under a new bill proposed by Republican Senator Josh Hawley. The legislation, called the Decoupling America's Artificial Intelligence Capabilities from China Act, seeks to sever the digital ties between the U.S. and China, making it illegal to import or export AI technology between the two nations. This means millions of Americans who recently downloaded popular Chinese-developed AI models like DeepSeek could find themselves in legal jeopardy. Hawley's rationale: he claims that every dollar and gig of data that flows into Chinese AI are dollars and data that will ultimately be used against the United States. He argues that cutting off China from American technology is essential to maintaining U.S. economic and technological superiority. The bill goes beyond just banning downloads. It prohibits American companies from conducting AI research in China, collaborating with Chinese firms, and investing in Chinese AI development. DeepSeek, the advanced AI model that sparked this legislative push, has made waves for being remarkably competitive with its American counterparts, despite being developed at a fraction of the cost and without cutting-edge chips. Hawley described it as a data harvesting, low-cost AI model that sparked international concern and sent American technology stocks plummeting. The bill's critics, however, argue it's a broad and dystopian overreach, targeting not only companies but everyday users and researchers who might inadvertently fall foul of its sweeping restrictions. Kevin Bankston, a senior advisor on AI governance at the Center for Democracy and Technology, criticized the bill as a broad attack on the very idea of scientific dialogue and technology exchange with China around AI, with potentially ruinous penalties for AI researchers and users alike. The bill's vague wording means it could potentially criminalize someone who merely downloads an AI app, knowing it's from China, chilling prospect for the average tech-savvy citizen. The legislation could also cripple academic research, as it bans the transfer of research to China, making it risky for American scientists to collaborate with Chinese researchers or even publish papers that might be accessed by Chinese counterparts. Kit Walsh from the Electronic Frontier Foundation warned, the bill threatens the development and publishing of AI advancements in the United States, particularly impacting open and collaborative development of these technologies outside the proprietary systems of the big tech incumbents. As the AI race between the US and China heats up, this bill represents the latest escalation in a broader geopolitical battle where technology and data are the new front lines. But is this move genuinely about national security, or is it just another instance of political theater? We'd love to hear what you think. Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on this rapidly evolving story.